Hello, this is Mr. Loreline with your weekly roundup for Honor 7 from October 19th until October 23rd. So let's focus in on language arts first. We're going to be working on the concluding paragraph for the research essay on Monday. On Tuesday, we're going to have a partner check where students are going to share their essay with someone in the room, and they're going to work on the small grammar errors that may arise in their writing. On Wednesday, they're going to turn in that essay. And then on Thursday, we're going to work on some subject-verb agreement, watch a video, do a worksheet. And then on Friday, we are going to have a little bit of practice on subject-verb agreement. And then on Friday, play a little game of quizzes on subject-verb agreement. Back to Monday for literature, we're going to finish The Hobbit. We're going to read the final chapter of this majestic and fantastic novel that we've been reading for the past couple of months. Students will finish up the chapter 18 through 19 Cornell worksheet. We're going to be watching the movie and analyzing and comparing and contrasting the book and the movie on Tuesday and Wednesday. On Thursday, we're going to build up some background knowledge for our first nonfiction read, which is An American Plague, which is set during 1793 in Philadelphia in the United States of America. And we're going to build some background knowledge of what it was like, the society, the government, because those things come into play when we're reading An American Plague. And so we're going to be building up that background by reading 2 articles in Newsela on Thursday and Friday. So that is your weekly roundup for Honor 7.